Hey everybody, as promised, box 2 of 2019 Stadium Club. Box 1 I thought was the shiznidity. I thought it was really good. My hits weren't all that grand, they were just okay. But everything else was pretty good. My parallels in particular tended to mostly be of some of the best players. So, I mean, you can't get much better than that. I think I got like the regular number of inserts. I may have gotten a black and white. I think I did. I explained in that video last year, I had a black and white Hank Aaron and a black and white Babe Ruth. And I thought they were the black and white inserts, and they turned out they were not. They just had those cards black and white, which was very confusing. But I only got one in that box and didn't get any others, so I think that was actually the black and white. I'll have to check and be sure. But anyways, if you want to check that video out, be my guest. If this box is half as good as that one, then I will be a-okay with that. I guess it would be nice if I could get maybe a vet auto. That would be sweet. But, you know, you're mostly going to get rookie autographs. The young players are the quickest to sign and probably the cheapest to pay to sign, so that's what the hobby has become. A lot of that. This is something new this year, which I'm a fan of. I can already see who it is. It's Mark McGwire. Some of these apparently are autographed. I highly doubt this one is, but if it is signed by Mark McGwire, I'll pass out, and when I come to, I'll be back with you guys. I would love to know that there is a Mike Piazza version of this. I'm going to check, and if there is, I'm going to buy it. If you have one to sell to me, comment below, or actually message me. Email me. Super cool. I love these. Absolutely love these. Actually, I like the first one I got, the pose, better than this. But these are still really cool. So, there's that. Alright, where was I? Got interrupted. Sorry. Let's see. I showed you the box topper, which was Mark McGwire. And now we're going to open these packs. I'll try to go a little faster. I tend to do that. The first box, I go through slow so we can really get a good look. Although, I tend to open Stadium Club slower anyways, so I can appreciate the photography, but I'll try not to go too slow this time. Wilson rookie, Ted Williams. Ask the man who is one. Oh, United States Marines. Cool. Rendon Odor. A red foil Real Muto. Mariano Rivera. And Killebrew. Martini rookie. Rizzo. I did not get him in the last box. That's nice. Kramer rookie, Sosa, Andy Pettit, Emperor of the Zone. I am gonna say I don't feel like they're like super on top of the inserts this year. They're very kind of just bland, blasé. Wish they were a little bit better. Votto, Moncada, and Haniger. I wish they had. I understand that the claim to fame with Stadium Club is the photography, but you got to put a little bit of something into these inserts. Alright, Muncie, Nemo. Man, I love that card. That is awesome. That's awesome. Josh Bell, Robles, a red foil Ryan Zimmerman, Max Kepler, Gurriel, and Don Mattingly. Ahmed Rosario, O'Hearn rookie, Benintendi, that's fun. Justice Sheffield rookie, Flaherty, Vladimir Guerrero Sr., Power Zone, Francisco Mejia, and Carlton Fisk. Come on. Alright, Robbie Ray, Almora Jr., Pete Alonso rookie. That's a hot rookie right now, which I'm glad. The Mets needed a hot rookie. Ozzie Smith doing, I guess, a backflip. Kyle Tucker rookie red foil parallel. A Stadium Club Chrome Buster Posey. Nice. Griffey card that I was over the moon about in box 1. Still love it. And Conforto. Chapman, Goodrum, Laureano rookie, Jim Palmer, T. Gordon, Jake Bowers black foil rookie, Yadi Molina, and Kepler. This is how we baseball. This is how we baseball. Corbin Burns rookie card. Cal Ripken Jr. Did not have him in the first box. Martinez, Vlad Guerrero Sr. also did not have in the first box. Oh, nice. Gurriel Jr. red foil. Parallel. My first autograph is David Fletcher rookie. Not bad. Reggie Jackson and Mel Ott. Still in search of a vet auto, which I'm sure there are some in here. They're probably tough to get. Alright, Billy Hamilton, Pedroia, JD Martinez, Kevin Newman rookie, Tatis Jr. rookie, first one of those, Robles Warp Speed insert, Boyd and Ernie Banks. Jose Abreu, Donaldson, Edgar Martinez, Ichiro, Brandon Crawford red foil, Goldschmidt, Cueto, and Encarnacion. Ozzie Albies, Aguilar, Nola, Chu, Vasquez, a Corey Kluber, Emperors of the Zone, Sano, and Kinsler. Renzo Kane, Scooter, Barrios, Marquez, Kyle Freeland, Anthony Rizzo, Beam Team. I think there's only one of these per box. McCullers and John Lester. A lot of these cards, these packs, are basically the same players. Mondesi, Rosario, although I will say I'm getting a lot of different players from box 1, so if I wanted to put the set together, this would really help. Chris Archer, Willie Calhoun, there's a hairdo. Look at that. I did get this card in box 1. Power Zone, Bo Jackson, Moustakas, Jose Canseco, and Kopech rookie. Had all 3 of those. Last couple of packs. Still looking for that other autograph. Hoping for a non-rookie, but it'll probably be a rookie. Alright, Bellinger, Blackman, Suarez, Gurriel Jr., Real Muto, Felix Hernandez, red foil, Mazzara, and Hosmer. Ryan Braun, Dale Murphy, Wisdom rookie, Urias rookie, Giancarlo Stanton black foil, Archie Bradley, Clemente, and Todd Frazier. Bogarts, Jeter, Zimmerman, DeYoung, Warren Spahn red foil. That's nice. I liked this card to begin with. And my other autograph is another rookie, Austin Dean, who I'm not really familiar with, if I'm completely honest with you. So again, 2 rookie autographs, Mathewson and Corey Seager. I might have to take one more shot at another one of these hobby boxes and see if I can get a better auto. Devers, Cano, Will Clark, Garrett Cole, Pham, Buxton, Warp Speed, Duke Snider, and Arcia. So this tells me that black and white must be a black and white, so that's cool. Still liking it. I love the photography. I know that people talk about that all the time, but it's hard not to. Last year might have been a little bit better, but there's some just incredible stuff in here, and the shots that they choose for like the old timers are really good. I mean, box 1 was definitely better than box 2, but you know, that's gonna happen. Still tons of fun to open. I may take one more shot at a hobby box, but I do have retail on the way that I will open for you guys as soon as it's into my hot little hands. Thanks so much for watching. Love you guys. Subscribe if you want to. Everybody take care. Bye, bye, bye.